In this video, we are going to look at full names, which include a first, a middle, and a last name. We are also going to look at formal and personal titles used in business or casual settings. What are the cultural reasons we should use them? Let's meet and greet formal titles and personal titles. What is a formal title? A word used in front of a person's name, such as Mr., Mrs., Miss, and Miss. Let's look at someone's full name. This man's name is Roberto Gonzalez. We say a full name when it includes all the names that are frequently used. A full name can have a first, a middle, and a last name. Let's look at someone's full name. This man's name is Roberto Gonzalez. We say a full name when it includes all the names that are frequently used. A full name can have a first, a middle, and a last name. A last name is also called a surname or a family name. Roberto is his first name. Gonzalez is his last name. Roberto does not have a middle name. Some people have middle names, and they are placed in the middle of the name. Why do we need a formal title? Because we don't know who Roberto is. He is a stranger, and we want to be polite. To be polite, we can call him Mr. Roberto Gonzalez. We can also call him Mr. Gonzalez, but we cannot say Mr. Roberto. When do we use formal titles? We use formal titles when we talk to strangers, when we are in a business setting, and we are talking to someone of authority or an elderly person. Mr. for all men, married or single. Ms. for women over 25 years, either married or single. Mrs. for married women only. Miss for girls or young women. Let's look at examples with formal titles. Mr. Joe Adams and Mrs. Sophia Mendez Adams. Ms. Jada Campbell. Miss Ava White. There are less formal titles we can give to strangers. We call these personal titles. We use them for the same reasons. When we don't know the person's name and we want to be polite.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is this your bus pass?
Yes, it is. Thank you, sir. When we don't know a person's name and we want to get their attention, we want to be polite and we want to show respect to an elderly person. So here are some examples. Mr. or Sir for men, Madam or Ma'am for women, Miss for girls or female teenagers, young man for boys. You can also use formal and personal titles in writing. When you are sending out your CV, you address the letter with a formal title. Dear Mr. De Niro. We also use personal titles when we don't know who we are sending the letter to, such as Dear Sir or Madam. We say both since we don't know if the person who will be receiving the letter is a man or a woman. Another very formal way to address a letter to someone you don't know is to write, to whom it may concern. This adds a touch of sophistication.